Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix please contact iTunes support to complete transaction error. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so whether you are on iPhone or Android device or a computer or laptop device, just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here just search for Apple support contact like this, and here you can just click on contact Apple support and you can contact them through the website. So just select your error related to your, just select the option that is most related to your error, which in this case is Apple ID, and you can just contact them from here. Alternatively, you can also download the Apple support application on your iPhone or iPad device like this. Just type in Apple support on your iOS store and download this app, and you can contact them through here as well. Or you can just click on how to contact us, and you can just contact them on their phone number as well, this one right here. And yeah guys, this is how you fix your error. They will fix your error within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.